You might have seen this viral Instagram video with millions of views. If you are someone who wants to create such videos and boost engagement without spending time and effort, then this video for you. We have developed an automation system by integrating pre-trained ChatGPT and Kling AI that will create hyper-realistic CGI moving video that will be directly uploaded to your Instagram with caption and hashtag. We have demonstrated an Instagram reel automation a few months back, but it was very basic, but this one is more advanced and realistic. Here is how it will work. I'll enter my topic into a connected Google Sheet. ChatGPT will write prompts required for these visuals. Kling AI will create visuals and then background music will be added. In just a few minutes, the final reel is ready. I'll teach you how you can create this automation system so that you can create this type of content without much effort. Hi, I'm Fazil from M Square Automation. Now we're talking. I'll straightly show you how to set up this automated system. So guys, we are gonna develop this end-day automation workflows on make.com, our go-to automation platform. So if you are new to make.com, you can sign up to Make using the link in the description to get a 1-month pro plan free. So once you signed up, you will get into this home window. There you can create a new scenario. Then you will be redirected to the scenario editor window. There you can import the blueprints that I'll share in our school community, or you can simply build it from the scratch. So guys, for this purpose, we have two automation workflow, one for create the reel and another one for upload to Instagram. So here you can see this is the first automation workflow. We are creating an image based on the topic we have provided, and then we are creating a reel based on the image that we already generated, and again we are creating a prompt for background music as well. That is the purpose of the first automation workflow. And here in the second one, we are creating a background music using the script that we have already generated in the first scenario and combining the reel video along with the music we generated, and finally we are uploading to Instagram. So now let's deep dive into each workflows. So here the first flow start with a Google Sheet where we are inputting the topic by which we want to generate the reel. So here you can see there is two columns, first one for topics and next one for status. So it will create the reels using the topics one by one. So once it is created and uploaded to the Instagram, it will change the status to done. I have done some tests already, so that's why 2 statuses are done. So I have created that Google Sheet here. You can simply click on add to add the connection for Google Sheet. You can sign with Google. If you have any doubt on connection, you can simply go to the online help. So here I am passing the spreadsheet ID of this particular sheet. And yeah, that's about it. And here we are generating a prompt initially for a prompt for image. Based on that, we are generating the reel later. So here you can see a detailed prompt here for generating a image, and we are mentioning the output format as well, and here we are passing the topic. Here you can see we are giving an example prompt as well. So that's about it. By the way, we are using ChatGPT's 4 turbo module for a better output of script, and you have to add a connection here to use this module. You can simply click and you can pass the API key and organization ID from your OpenAI account. If you have any doubt on the connection, you can simply rely on online help. It is pretty much straightforward and easy, so I'm not going to explain that. Now we are generating an image. Here we are using FreePic for this purpose, and to get an API key, you can simply sign up to FreePic, and you can go to freepik.com/API. There you can see get free API key here. You can simply click on that. Then there you can see the API settings. Then you can copy the API key if it is already there. Otherwise, you can create a new API key here. Then you can simply copy it and paste it. Then the connection will be created. Here we are using a make an API call module of FreePic. So here this is the URL that we are going to use to create an image. You can simply rely on the documentation page of FreePic API. Here you can see under API references, here you can see the image generation. We are using Google's Imagine 3. Here you can see the API, the URL. You can simply copy it and paste it here. And we are using the post method, and this is the header. We have to pass the content type as application JSON under header. And this is the body type. Here we are passing the prompt that we have already generated and number of images as 1. And the aspect ratio, social story 9:16. That is the size we want for the reel. So that's about it. If you want to further explore, you can simply go to the documentation. Here you can see the details for each parameter that we have to use, different sizes, everything here. So that's about it. We are giving a 15 seconds of delay to complete the image generation. Now we are getting the image that we have created. Here again, we are using make an API call module of prepick. So here we have already the connection that I have created. We are using the get image URL. Here you can see, yeah, this URL we are using, because when you create an image, when you initiate the image generation here, you will get a task ID that we are simply mapping to this URL at the end part of this URL that we get from the documentation, and the method is get, and in the header, same like previous module, it is content type application JSON. That's all, and we can keep the body empty. Now we will get the generated image here. Now we are downloading the image. It will be an URL, and we are downloading that URL using HTTP module of make get a file module. Now we are going to generate the prompt for the reel. Here we are passing the generated image and a set of prompt as well. So we are using the 4.0 module of ChatGPT, and here we are passing the detailed prompt for as the system, and with the all the instructions as well. You can see, and the expected JSON output as well. And we are passing under user the image that we have already generated. Based on that, we are creating this reel, and here we are passing an example output of the prompt for the reel as usual. So that's about it. Now we are creating a final JSON for make an API call module of prepick. This is used to generate the real video, the final video. So here we are passing the image from this download image module and prompt that is generated just now for the reel. And here we are using some negative prompt to avoid something from the prompt, like low resolution, blurry, dull colors. All we are passing these negative prompts to remove those from the video that is going to be generated using prepick. So here we are passing the duration as 10, that is 10 second, and CFG scale as 0.7. This can be have up to 1. And here we are passing one webhook URL as well. So this webhook URL is to get triggered when the video generation is completed. So here we are using again make an API call module of prepick. Here we are using Kling to generate the video. Maybe you know Kling is very expensive and we use it directly from their website. But here we are using through prepick. So it is not that costly, and we can maybe in a €1 expense we can do generate a video and upload to a reel. So it is very cheap in that aspect. So here we are going with Kling, as I said. Here you can see in the documentation video generation API. Here we have Kling V2 and 1.6 Pro as well. So in this purpose, I'm just going with this because it's more fast, but and cheap as well. And here, if we use Kling Pro 1.6, it's come around €0.8 or something. If you go with Kling V2, then it is come around €2 for one video generation. It is expensive, but it is more detailed and high quality video it will provide. So here we are going with this, and this is the URL, and here the authorization methods and body parameters and the explanation about each parameter, optional parameters, mandatory parameter. Everything is explained here. So if you want to explore further, you can simply go to this document and explore. So that's about it. And here, as I said, this is the URL Kling Pro, and there is post method, and the header is content type application JSON. And here we are passing the JSON that we have created just now using this create JSON module. And that's about it. Now we have initiated the video generation. Finally, before going to the second scenario, we are creating a prompt for background music as well. Here we are using 4.1 mini to make it more cheaper. Here we are passing the video script as well as a user input, and the image URL as well to get a more insight or a context for the ChatGPT module here. And again, we are passing some text prompt as well to create the background music, and this is the output. And also in this module, we are generating the caption as well for the Instagram reel, the final reel. When we upload the reel, we will use the caption as well. We are storing all this information in a data store. To retrieve in the second scenario, we are storing the task ID that we will get when we initiate the video generation, and the music prompt that we have just created, and the caption also we have just created, and the raw number. This is the raw number of the Google Sheet, the initial Google Sheet. So that's about it. Now let's go to the second scenario. This second scenario will be triggered only when the video generation is completed from prepick or Kling. And once we will get a task ID that we have passed. Using that task ID, we will fetch all other details like prompt for music and the caption and everything. By the way, I'll just show you the structure of the data store. Here is the structure. There will be a video task ID and music prompt caption and the raw number of the Google Sheet. So this is the structure. It's a simple one only. So once we got all the details, now we are going to create a background audio using Musify. This is the platform name. Once we got all this information, now we are going to generate an audio, a background music using Musify. So here it is. So you can simply sign up to Musify, and there is some free quota as well that you can use for the testing purpose and all. So once you signed up, you can simply go to tokens under API session. There you can create a new key and copy it, and you can simply come over here and you can use it here under authorization. So this is the URL that you have to use. This is the API endpoint. All this you can explore under docs. Here in this documentation, here you can see how to create an API key, how to do the authentication and all. If you want to explore further, you can of course go to the documentation. Otherwise, simply follow my video here and the API reference. Here you can see text to music. Here this is the API endpoint that we are using here, generate music, and the method is post, and authorization is this, and the token that we have generated before, simply paste it here, and the body type is raw and the content type is JSON. You can simply select from the drop down, and I'm giving a basic body here. This is the structure. We are passing the prompt and the duration in seconds for the background music. This we have already generated before this prompt, then retrieving from the data store and adding here, and enable the parse response for better output. So that's about it. Now we got the background music from Musify. Once it is done, maybe we can add some delay here. We have to give some time to complete the audio generation. I'm just giving a 10-second delay. So that's about it. And now we are comparing the real video that we have created using FreePic or Kling, and comparing the music that we just generated using Musify. And we are using a service called Segment for this audio and video comparing purpose. So regarding Segment, you can simply sign up to Segment, and you can go to the developer. Here you can see, and there you can create a new API key. You can simply copy it and you can come back to make, and you can paste it under the headers as the item name X API key, and the value is the generator token. So by the way, we have to use this video audio merge API endpoint that you can see here. Go to Model Hub and you can simply search for merge. Then you can see this video audio merge one. You can click here and you can simply go to the API. There you can see, let me choose curl one for better understanding. Here you can see this is the API endpoint and this is the body and all. Yeah, if you want to explore further, you can go to this attributes for further uh, customization and everything. So that's about it. And here you can see we are passing the input video that we have generated using Kling, and the input audio that we just created using Musify. We simply are passing only these two, and you can add further parameters if you need further customization and all. So that's about it. Now it's time to upload the video to any cloud to get a share link. You can go with a Google Drive or Dropbox, anything. Here I'm just going with a Dropbox. Here you can simply add a connection with your Dropbox account, and you can choose the folder, and you can simply give a file name. I'm giving a UUID here to make it unique, and the data we are passing the final video that we got from Segment after comparing audio and video. So that's about it. Now we are creating a share link here, simply passing the file path, then you will get a shareable link as an output to this module. Now finally we are going to upload the final reel video to our Instagram account. Here we are using a create a reel post module of Instagram for Business. So you can simply add it here, then you can add a connection by simply clicking add, and you can click save, then it will redirect you to the connection page. If you have any doubt, you can simply rely on online help. Here I'm choosing the page test. This is my account, Instagram account, where I'm gonna upload this video. We are simply mapping the video URL, that is the shareable download link from Dropbox. And here you can see all the acceptable formats and size, everything. And here you can see, here we are passing the caption as well that we have created before using ChatGPT. So that's about it. And finally, once it is completed the video generation and uploading to Instagram, we are now updating the particular topic status as done. So that's about it. I hope you understood the explanation. Now it is the time to run the automation workflows and see the result. So as I said, we are processing the topic from this Google Sheet, completed this fried chicken and food fall already. Now let's pass the pizza and mobile phone repair as a topics, and let's see how the result is. And by the way, I'm gonna upload this to this test IG post 3 account. Here you can see I have done some testings already. And yeah, in few minutes, you can see it got 98 and 65 views and everything. It's all just for testing. And if it's in the real case, you can simply imagine how much likes and engagement you will get for the real post. So that's about it. No more talking. Let's run and see the results. Here you can see, guys, we have generated the prompt for the image. It's a very detailed prompting, you can see. And we have generated the image. We have initiated the image generation, and now we got the image here. Here you can see it's a simple link. Yeah, it's a pizza was the topic. So you can see here some persons are making the pizza. So that's about it. Now you can see using that image, we generated the prompt for the reel as well. It's a very brief reel prompt. So let's see. Here you can see we have initiated the video generation as well. And here we have created the prompt for music and the Instagram caption as well. So that's about it. We have stored all the parameters in the Google Sheet. Now let's wait here. So once the video generation is completed, it may take maybe 5 or 6 minutes. Once it is done, let us wait here until the video generation is completed. Yeah, here you can see we got a trigger here in the second scenario. That means the video generation has been completed. Now we have generated the background music using Musify. Now we are comparing it using Segment. Yeah, we have combined both the video and music. It's uploaded to Dropbox and now uploading to Instagram. Yeah, it's uploaded to Instagram. Now let's refresh and see the result. Yeah, we got it. Now let me show you how it is. Yeah, here you can see with the caption, hashtags, everything. Yeah, better. Yeah, music also here. So that's about it. Let us run one more time. We have one more topic there here in the Google Sheet for mobile phone repair. Now let's see how it is. Let me run again the scenario. Yeah, we got it. Mobile phone repair. Let's wait for the result here. Here you can see, guys, the second scenario got triggered. And that means the video generation has been completed. Now we have created the background music. Now we are comparing the background music with the video generator. And finally uploading the second video to Instagram. Okay, now let us refresh. Yeah, here you can see. I have just now uploaded new one. Okay, music software. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. And it's a simple demo version. If you improve the prompt and the other settings in the video generation as well, you can generate more quality versions of this video. Here you can see even in couple of minutes, it started to getting the views and likes and all. So that's it. We just created an automation tool that will create viral reels in your absence. You just give the idea and the system will do the rest. Subscribe for more AI related content.